Welcome to Frozen G Coins, a place for us to learn about numismatic coins and precious metals. Let's take a trip back in time to 1965. Lyndon B. Johnson was the President of the United States. The Coinage Act, signed by Johnson on July 23, 1965, removed silver from United States coins. The Mint began producing the clad coins on August 23, 1965, making them the only coins released with the 1965 date. Up until that time, all dimes, quarters, and half dollars were minted out of 90% silver. With all quarters, like this 1964 Washington quarter, being 90% silver, that was the only way you could spend a quarter. So let's look at what this quarter would have bought you in 1964. In 1964, 1 gallon of gas averaged 30 cents. So that quarter would have bought a little less than a gallon. A loaf of bread was around 21 cents. So right at a loaf of bread. A dozen eggs was averaging 54 cents. So right at 2 silver quarters for a dozen eggs. Now let's fast forward to today, August 31st, 2024. 60 years later, and that same 90% silver quarter has a silver melt value of $5.35. Average gas price in 2024 is $3.35. So that silver quarter, if used for silver value, could get you over a gallon of gas with change left over. A loaf of bread is averaging around $2.50. So that silver quarter would get you 2 loaves of bread. 1 dozen eggs averaging $3.08. So one 1964 silver quarter buys a dozen eggs with change left over. As we all know, we can no longer get a 1964 90% silver quarter for just 25 cents unless we are lucky enough to find one that slipped through the cracks and someone put back into circulation. Most dealers and collectors buy and sell per face value. So at today's market price, dealers are selling around 22 to 23 times face. So 4 quarters for $22 to $23. This is just a look at how silver could be a hedge against inflation in the future. Look at prices over time and compare the past to the present. Thanks for watching Frozen G Coins. Feel free to comment video ideas or questions you may have. Also, please subscribe and check out frozeng-coins.com.